All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's get straight into the setups for this afternoon. Let's start off with the Dow yearly high-low weekly time frame. We can currently see we're still trading above that 77 level of support. Resistance is still the 89. Trend is still up according to moving averages. 8 above 21, above the 50. You can see stochastic is trading a little bit below that 80 level and below the signal line, so that has pushed down quite fairly. Let's see if we do break down from the 77 and push all the way back to the 50 moving average, or if we just find perfect support and bounce back up to that 89 level. These are weekly candles, so they do take 1 week to complete, but trend is still up on this time frame.
Yeah, awesome. On the monthly high-low, currently we're inside that consolidation area between the levels of 50 and 38.2. Push below 38.2, we will be aiming for that 11 target, and push above 61.8, we will be aiming for that 89 target. If you look at the moving averages, 21 is above 8, that's indicating trend is down. Stochastic back inside that consolidation area between 61 and 38.2. So I would like to see it pull back down below 38.2 to get a nice confirmation of that trend is down.
All right, 100% then on the hourly time frame, weekly high-low for the Dow. We can also see trend is still down 50 above 21 above the 8. Current level of support is the minus 161. We've reached that final target. And then resistance is the 127. Candle close above the minus 127. Break previous candle high. We chased the 0 level with stop being in between the minus 127 and minus 161. Trend is down, as I said, 50 above 21 above the 8. And you can see stochastic and signal line both are still trading below that 38.2 area.
On the daily high-low, so currently we are between the levels of 38.2 and 23.6. Candle close below 0, break previous candle lows, trigger short. We will be aiming for the minus 161. Candle close above 61.8, break previous candle high. We'll be aiming for the 89 level. If you look on the moving averages, they're quite tight together there. So let's hope when we get opening bell, those moving averages can give us clear indication of where we are going.
All right, let's move on to the Aussie real quick. You could also see on this time frame, weekly time frame for the Aussie yearly high-low trend is still up, 8 above 21 above the 50. Level of outstanding resistance 127. That is a target we are aiming for since we are trading above the 100 level. Support is that 100 level itself. Below the 100, we want to be short till 61.8, but trend is still up, 8 above 21 above the 50. Stochastic and signal line both still trading above that 80 level.
Also, reflected on the monthly high-low, currently we are between 161.8 and 127. We still have that outstanding target of 161. If we look on the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50, that's indicating trend is up. Also on stochastic and signal line above that 80 level. So everything is telling us to be long.
100% in a weekly high-low. Hourly time frame for the Aussie. You can see we had a massive push up this morning with that opening gap. We've closed that gap with that big bearish hourly candle, taking us from the 127 to the 100 level. Trend is still up, 8 above 21 above the 50. Support is the 100. Resistance is the 127. Candle closed below the 100. Break previous candle low. We want to be short until the first target 77. And then final target 61.8 for the take profit. As I said, trend is up according to moving averages and stochastic and signal line, both trading above the 61.8 area.
Awesome. On that daily high-low, so currently we are between the 100 and 89 level. Candle close above 100, break previous candle high is a trigger short. Otherwise, for shorts, it's a trigger long. Otherwise, for shorts, it is only candle close below 38.2, break previous candle low. We will be chasing that 11 level. If you look on the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50. That is indicating trend is up. And also stochastic and signal line is currently trading above that 61.8. So everything is telling us trend is up.
Let's move on to US tech real quick. Current level of support 61.8. Resistance is the 77. Trend is still up, however, 8 above 21 above the 50. Let's see if we do push closer to that 50 moving average with stochastic trading below the signal line and pushing down through that 80 level. Most likely almost seem to go back to that 50 moving average, but we have that 61.8 level in our way as support. Above the 100, we want to be long till the 127, but clearly price is in a downtrend on the weekly time frame. You can see those bearish candles. However, moving averages are still indicating trend is up, 8 above 21 above the 50.
Awesome. On the monthly high low, so currently we are between the minus 127 and minus 161. Cannot push above that minus 127. We will be aiming for that 0 level as a target. Sorry, Monet, can you just check there? Are we above that minus 127 level right now?
Yes, we're above the minus 127.
Okay, so the minus 127 is a level of support and 0 is a level of resistance. If we look on the moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8. That's indicating trend is down. Also, if you look on a stochastic is currently trading below that 38.2 level. So everything is telling us trend is down.
And then on the weekly high-low hourly time frame for the US tech, also trading above that 0 level. Got a candle close, break previous candle high for trigger long up till the 23.6 first target stop to entry and final target 38.2 for the take profit. We can see trend is starting to change. 28.21 starting to get a little bit of a crossover over there. However, we just need this hourly candle to close to see if we can confirm that perfect 821 crossover, taking us above the 50 moving average as well. If you do go a little bit closer to 11, next trigger short, then below the 0. But currently, let's just wait for possible change in trend as we see stochastic is also above the signal line and pushing up through the consolidation area.
Awesome. On the daily high low, we are currently inside the consolidation area between the 61.8 and the 38.2. So for shorts, candle close below 38.2, break previous candle low, we will be chasing the 11 target. And candle close above 61.8, break of previous candle high is trigger long to that 89 level. If you look on the moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50. So that is indicating trend is up. Also stochastic looks like stochastic and signal line is above that 61.8 level. So everything is indicating trend is up.
All right, so then last but not least, let's take a look at the DAX, DE40. You can also see current level of resistance is the 89, support is the 77. Trend is still up. We have 8 above 21, above the 50. Stochastic and signal line both still trading above that 80 level. Remember, push above the 100. We want to aim for the outstanding target 127. But firstly, we need to break above the current resistance or support that we have below 38.2. We're going to be short till the 11. But everything and all the indicators are telling us that we are still in quite a strong uptrend.
Now on the monthly high low, currently are between the 89 and 77 level. Push above 100, we want to aim for the 127. Otherwise, push below 38.2, we want to aim for the 11 target. If we look on the moving averages, they're still very on top of each other. Can't really see where that is going. But if you look on the stochastic and signal line is currently above the 61.8. So that is giving us some indication of trend is up.
Weekly high low hourly time frame, we can see trend is busy moving up. We have 8 above 21, above the 50, indicating that trend has changed to the upside. Also do have stochastic trading above the signal line and above the 61.8 of the consolidation. However, next trigger for a long candle close above the 61.8 level. Break previous candle high, we aim for the 77 first target stop to entry, and then the final target 89 for the take profit. Trigger short will only be candle close below the 0, and we aim for the final target minus 161 for the take profit. But everything is telling us the trend is busy moving up. Let's just see if that does follow through with the trigger long above 61.8.
Also, if you look there on the daily high low, so currently we're on that 77 level as level of support, and then 89 as level of resistance. If you look for a long now candle close above 100, break of previous candle highs, trigger long to that 161 level. If we look for short, it's only below 38.2, candle close below that level, break of previous candle low is trigger short. We'll be aiming for the 11 level. If you look on moving averages, 8 is above 21, above 50, that's indicating trend is up. Also stochastic and signal line is currently above that 80 level. So everything is indicating trend is up.
All right, let's move on to the 1 minute. Great.
On the hourly, I don't like what they see. There's a huge amount of consolidation on the hourly. US tech playing around the 50 moving average on the hourly for 2 hours. Dow just flat ABC potential, but just in a B, and same with DAX. Yeah. Let's hope we get a break and open, guys. Sorry for interrupting there.
No, that's all good. It's very valuable information right there. Let's just have a quick look at where we are going to place our grids on the 1 minute. We got the stochastic significant touch up there, or from the high to the low, and we got the 821 moving average crossover confirming it. On US Tech from the low, and we're just going to keep trailing it. Next possible trigger for a long, 33 stochastic push up through 50.